Good morning, boys and girls. I wanted to tell you a little bit about how our day is going to go today. But first, let me introduce you to my friends here. This is my plant. It's called a bromeliad, and it has this pretty red bloom in the middle, which I love. And then there's my friend, Buzzy Bee. And as I'm talking to you about the work this week, I want you to think about how insects like bees and plants depend on each other. They need each other for things. The bees and other insects get some things from the plants, and the plants get things from the bees and other insects. So, how does that work? I want you to think about what you know about that. So, we're going to continue learning about plants and insects today, and we're going to think a lot about how they help each other and how they get things from each other. So, this is the flow of today's work. You're going to begin by reading, and in your reading, you're going to watch a video about ant cities. And I think you've heard some in the past about how ants work together, and you're going to read more about it today and answer some questions. Then in science, you're going to learn about the parts of a flower. There's no form today for science, but there is a quiz in the slide. So you have to click on that and take that quiz about the parts of a flower. And I want you to think about how insects and plants work together. In social studies, you're going to be learning about laws and rules, and there will be a form to answer questions there. And then, as always, you're going to do some independent reading. I want you to remember to fill out your logs. A lot of you are doing the independent reading, but then you're not filling out your log. So you have to click on today's date for the log for today and let me know what books you read, if they're fiction, like made-up stories, or nonfiction, teaching information books, and then whether you liked it, yes, or whether you didn't like it, no. All right, I hope you enjoy the lessons for today, and I will see you later. Bye-bye, boys and girls.